What's up guys, it's Caleb from Element Case, and today we're unboxing the Shadow. One of the first features you'll notice about the Shadow is its soft touch perforated backplate. It provides a nice soft in-hand texture for a more pleasurable user experience. One of my favorite features about the Shadow are the fast tap buttons. Independent buttons allow the phone controls to work as seamlessly as they would without a case. The Shadow also incorporates sure grip technology on the top, bottom, and sides, which makes an ergonomic design for a more comfortable and secure grasp. One of the more protective features of the Shadow is the tabletop protection front bezel. The design keeps the phone screen from coming in direct contact with flat surfaces on drops. That's about it on the Shadow for today. Thanks for taking a look. For more info, visit elementcase.com.